नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल चारू चौधरी में। आज जो वीडियो है मैंने बनाई है, अगर क्रिसमस पे आपको ऐसे लिखने को दिया जाता है कि कैसे क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है या क्रिसमस से रिलेटेड कोई भी आपको ऐसे मिलता है तो क्या लिख सकते हैं, हम वो जानेंगे आज इस वीडियो में। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब कर दें, शेयर कर दें। आइए दोस्तों, हमारे ऐसे का टॉपिक है क्रिसमस। Christmas is a well-known Christian holiday set in December, celebrated the world over and famed for its decorations and Santa Claus. The Christmas means feast day of Christ. It is a yearly celebration marking Jesus Christ's birth. It is observed on the 25th of December as a cultural and religious celebration among a lot of people all over the world. Christmas is celebrated in all Christian countries, but there are differences in the way each nation celebrates this date. History behind Christmas. The history of Christmas is one that dates back to a very long time. The first Christmas was celebrated in 336 AD in Rome. It played a very important role during the famed Arian controversy. Christmas was brought back to limelight around 800 AD when the Emperor Charlemagne received the crown on Christmas Day. During the 17th century, the Prussians had Christmas banned because it was associated with drunkenness and different other misbehavior. It was made a proper holiday around 1660 but was still quite disreputable. Around the early 1900s, the Oxford movement of the Anglican Communion Church started, and this led to the revival of Christmas. Preparations for Christmas. Christmas is a cultural festivity that entails a lot of preparations. It is a public holiday, and so people get a Christmas break to celebrate it. Preparations for Christmas start early for most people so that celebrations begin on the evening of Christmas. Preparations for Christmas involves a lot of activities. People usually buy decorations, food, and gifts, mostly for children in the family and friends. Some families shop for matching Christmas outfits for everyone. The common preparations include decorations of the place, which Christmas trees lighting. Before decorations begin, the house must be deep cleaned. The Christmas tree brings the Christmas spirit in homes. Presents are placed under the Christmas tree in wrapped gift boxes and are not to be opened until Christmas Day. The church is also decorated for the special event. Thorough cleaning of the churches is also done to usher in Christmas. Songs and skits to be performed on Christmas Day. People usually spend a lot on Christmas, and so saving money for these plans should be the earliest preparation among all these. Families also plan to travel to stay together during this celebration period. Traditionally, turkey is the common meal across the world in this day. Cards are also written to friends and family to wish them a happy holiday and to show love. Christmas Day celebration. Christmas Carols are played on radios and televisions to mark the day. Most families start by going to church where performance and songs are done. Then, later, they join their families to exchange gifts and celebrate with food and music. Happiness during Christmas is like no other. Homemade traditional plum cakes, cupcakes, and muffins are the special treats on Christmas. Kids are showered with lots of presents and new dresses. They also get to meet the Santa Claus dressed in the fluffy red and white costume who greets them with hugs and gifts. Conclusion. Christmas reminds us of the importance of giving and sharing with friends and family. Through Christmas, we know that Jesus' birth is the beginning of great things in the world. It is generally an opportunity to think about nature and the reason for our existence. Christmas is such a festival which people from all religions and faiths celebrate worldwide despite it being a Christian festival. It is the essence of the festival which unites the people so much. दोस्तों तो ये था ऐसे क्रिसमस पर क्रिसमस जो कि 25 दिसंबर के दिन मनाया जाता है। हिंदी में भी इसका जो निबंध है वो जल्द ही लिखा जाएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो आप लाइक कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं। वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।